Hey, what's up, honeycrunchers? It's me, Jham, and welcome back to honeycrunch321. On April 12, 2020, the Instagram account of OPI Philippines held an Easter Sunday hunt contest, and of course, I participated. Then a week after, April 19, 2020, they announced the winners and I was one of them. Then the prizes can be claimed as soon as the ECQ or Enhanced Community Quarantine is lifted. So after months of waiting, OPI shipped the prize via Lalamove and I paid for the 362 pesos shipping fee. And my prize finally arrived on June 17, 2020. And here it is. It's OPI's 2018 4-piece mini set of Disney's The Nutcracker and the Four Realms. The nail lacquer collection has 30 nail polishes according to OPI's website. And now I have 4 mini bottles from this 2018 collection. Now let's check out the box. Now let's take out the 4 mini bottles. They look super tiny, and they're just in 3.75 ml bottles. We have Tinker Thinker Winker, Dreams Need Clarification, March in Uniform, and Dazzling Dewdrop. So we have 2 creme nail polishes, 1 shimmer nail polish, and 1 holographic nail polish. I'll be posting a review for this OPI 2018 4-piece set mini nail polishes soon. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to be notified once I upload it. What do you guys think about the prize that I've won? If you guys enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit like, share this video to your awesome friends, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram to get the latest updates and more. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Stay safe. Bye!